Hi and welcome everybody. My name is George and I welcome you to George's Mania. So if you're actually wondering who am I and what am I doing here, so this is actually the first recording for my YouTube channel, George's Mania, and I'm set in the first project car we're going to be dealing with. So I'm all set in a E46 330D M57 P30. Yeah, so luckily enough I got myself the 154 kilowatt spec, 220 something horsepower and 410 newton meters of torque. And if you're actually wondering what's happening, yes, it's one of those stories. It's a crashed, damaged vehicle, and this dude, this face, this guy will be rebuilding the car. So little backstory to the car is, before all this happened, I was a W203 C180 compressor driver. But yeah, man, me being a guy, me being a car guy, there really wasn't much I can do to the car, and I actually didn't do nothing at all. It was stock, bone stock, drove the car like that. It was nice. Until one weekend I woke up, I decided it has to go. I have to get something for myself that's my age, that's relevant to what I want to do in the car scene, for the vision I had. So after searches and searches, a long story, blah blah blah, I got this car. I actually take you guys on a tour on the car. I got this car. It was a running car then. Life also happened. My uncle cousin had one of the worst experience with a car, got involved in an accident, and I actually had to buy it like that. Of which later on, if you follow the channel, you'll actually get to find out what was a good story about that. So him crashing the car, there's actually a lot of good in that than bad. Sorry if you're watching this, but yeah, there was actually a lot good in that incident than bad. Otherwise, I could be fucking caught. So if you're wondering what's everything behind me, actually those are components that go inside the car. So because we inside, we might as well start inside, and then I'll take you guys outside slowly but surely. So inside here, I had a little fun. All of this was out, so I actually have to get back. Glove box cable has to go back. All this under covers actually have to go back. These are currently out because the keys are for programming. And then yeah, nothing much. The peeler covers for the airbags have to go back. I have to put this bad boy in. Someone stole my glue. There's one nice car there. It's driving on my glue. Here's that. And then yeah, that's actually it for the interior. So there's actually nothing much to do inside besides the glove box, and then have the windscreen done. And yeah, that's it. Interior side of the car. And then come and take you to the exterior. So actually, not many people would see, but yeah, besides the beading, the side skirt, this side is fucked. We have to deal with that. I have a front I have to deal with. So this front actually will be one of the main components you're going to see part of the build. Headlights, bumper, everything has to go back. We have to actually respray the whole car because this side is effed up. It's a bit wavy. Hence the car has been involved in 2 accidents. I'll get into that in our next moment. And then yeah, exterior paint, I have to do all the calipers red again. So that was an experiment. So as soon as the car starts driving, I'll drive off with red calipers for a while, and then I'm gonna turn yellow. I actually like the yellow better. And then there's actually nothing much to do on this side besides side skirt, paint this. I took this out. They're getting painted black. The grill on the bonnet is getting painted black. And then that's actually what I have to do in the exterior. I have to do bearing on this side, so expect a video on that. And then if you're wondering why is it all jacked up with no wheels, so I actually have all the rims inside the house that's going to be on this car. So I actually took that out on purpose. I didn't want them dirty and all, and I actually wanted to get them buffed. All four are inside the house. That's also getting black. And then let's come here and walk. Let's come to the nice parts. So this bad boy. So actually here the only little thing that has to happen is in the near future, maybe not, but hoping and hopefully so, this engine will be coming out. This will be going to another shell, and having this in that other shell, I'll be actually be building a one-of-one BMW in the whole country, South Africa. And then with this shell, I have a very nice plan that I have to do with this shell, because it's been previously involved in plenty accidents. If you take a look, I don't know if you can see, this part is fine, and then we come over this side, take a look at that, it's effed up. So the first accident before we got the car happened there, and then yeah, it happened again, but luckily enough the incident that happened with my cousin happened on the driver's side, so we didn't actually have much damage that side. But yeah, soon, maybe December this year, we might have that side cut up and properly fixed ourselves. That's also part of the build. And then with this bad boy here, this bad boy, so now with this I can fulfill my car guy dreams. So I don't dream off, I'm actually going to do it slowly but surely. I'll do that. Since there's a table in this, I'm gonna mount a bigger intercooler down there. I'm gonna do a EGR delete up here. I'm gonna do a DPF, yeah, DPF delete, or downpipe as many know it, somewhere down there. And then I'm gonna get that box there tuned. And then I actually looked a nice time. If there's ODI December this year, expect to see this car there. I actually want to race this against all stock Golf 7Rs when I'm done with the tune. I want to race E46, I want to race S3s. If I actually make what I'm planning on making, maybe I might as well take on stock RS3s with this bad boy. So I actually want this to be a hot hatch killer, basically. That's the goal with this car before we transform into other things. And then yeah, those are one of the few things you can expect on the channel. You can expect on cars, basically. That's what the channel is all about. This bad boy will be a hot hatch killer by December. And then I hope you guys subscribe, give us love. Planning from today, I record this, it's a Monday the 15th of July. And I want this, I believe ODI is always the first week of December. I want this there. That's goal number one. That's affirmation number one. Affirmation number two, whoever is watching this, I want you to press the like, subscribe, and share button. Let's have a K subscribers by December. That's affirmation number two. And this bad boy will be out at ODI, racing against all hot hatches. If you have one yourself, I'm calling you out. But I don't want insane racing, man. Those Audis are insane, so those guys can wait. But yeah, if we make more power than we expect, and then yeah, I'm actually looking to make stock motor. I would actually be happy if I make plus minus 230 kilowatts at the wheels, and then I'll be happy if I make that. I wouldn't mind just for fun to race stock RS3s, just for fun. So that's reason number one, I like this bad boy. Reason number two, it's going to stay on the channel. Reason number three, there is another car you can expect us to do builds on. It's already a running car. We'll make some content on it. But besides that, smart idea is to flip this to get other cars. But I basically wouldn't be doing that because I have so much sentimental value on this car. I'd rather bust my ass and get another car. But without further ado, guys, I'm gonna see you on the second upload when you start working on this. So thanks, guys. Have a nice one.